Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I have with me the Creative Outlier Air truly wireless earbuds. I've had so much hype and rave about these earbuds. Thankfully Creative sent one pair over. So today in this video I will be telling you all about the Creative Outlier Air, the good, the bad and everything else you need to take note of before you purchase these. So without wasting time, let's begin. These are going to run you about $80. I'll be throwing links down in the description section for you if you want to purchase these. So first of all, let's go quickly through what comes in the box and then we'll go over to their specifications. In the box, you get the earbuds themselves seated at the top here, and then you have the charging case and you get a short USB-C cable, which is typical with most truly wireless earbuds, and then you get just an extra pair of ear tips, which is really surprising. So if you end up purchasing these, you are going to get just a pair of extra ear tips, but hopefully you're going to get a snug fit, as I got a snug fit with the pre-installed ear tips. And then you get an instruction manual and quick start guide. Coming to specs, first of all, you are getting 10 hours battery life from a single charge from the earbuds themselves. It's like earbuds are gradually catching up to headphones in terms of battery life, which is quite impressive considering how tiny these are, while the charging case can fully charge them up twice, so you're getting a total of 30 hours battery life. These are IPX5 water resistant, so if you're going to take these jogging or to the gym, these can withstand drops of sweat and water, but not full submersion, so you have to bear that in mind. These earbuds support AAC and Qualcomm aptX for high quality audio streaming via Bluetooth. They are also equipped with Bluetooth 5.0. Now taking a look at the charging case itself, it screams premium. It's solidly built and well put together. It's made of metal and plastic. It's got a very nice build quality and weight to it. In order to open them up, you just have to push it from the right hand side and it's just going to slide out like this, and then you push it from the left hand side to close them back up. One thing I noticed is that I find it just a little bit difficult taking out the earbuds from their charging case. You really have to get a very good grip in order to pull these out of the charging case. You can easily snap them back into the charging case. They've got very strong magnets, but taking them out is a little bit of a challenge, so you have to bear that in mind. On the left hand side of the charging case, there is a USB-C port for charging these up, which is definitely expected. Above the USB-C port, you have 4 LED lights, which indicate when the left or right earbud is charging up, or when the charging case is low on juice, or when the charging case itself is being charged up. That's a nice touch and attention to detail. I really like that. At the side of the earbuds, you've got these ring LED lights, which indicate when the earbuds are turned on or pairing. Coming to comfort, once I took these out of the box and put them on, I got a very snug fit and tight seal with the pre-installed ear tips. So that's one thing you have to bear in mind. Maybe that's why Creative decided to include only a pair of extra ear tips, which is still quite surprising. Which brings us to one of the major disadvantages of these earbuds, and that is lack of touch controls. Yes, I just wish they were touch controls. Unfortunately, these are actual buttons, so it can feel a little bit uncomfortable when you're operating these, when you're wearing them on your ears. It's like you are pressing the earbuds further into your ear canals, so you have to bear that in mind. I hope the next successor to these are going to come with touch controls. That would be very useful. As you can see by the side of each earbud, you have microphones, which brings us to call quality. Call quality on these earbuds are really good, trust me. So the microphones on these earbuds do a very good job of picking up your voice. So if you are looking for a pair of truly wireless earbuds with great call quality, these are the ones to get, trust me. They are very good when it comes to call quality. Now coming to sound quality, I know our opinions might vary, but as for me, I found out that the sound quality obviously is not balanced in any way. They are geared towards the average consumer. So these definitely have to have bass and a little bit of treble. The first thing I noticed about these true wireless earbuds is that the treble is a little bit, pushed forward. As you crank up the volume, you're going to notice that the treble is a little bit harsh, slightly harsh. The sound is not balanced. The mids are there, and then they've got some bass. The bass is not overwhelming, as some people pointed it out to be. As for me, the bass is there, you get good punchy bass, but I think the treble is much more forward. That's what I noticed. Especially as you crank the volume to like 60-70%, you'll notice that the treble and vocals are really pushed forward. The sound quality is pretty decent, very clear, very open. You get a wide sound stage for truly wireless earbuds. But one thing to bear in mind is that in order to get a different sound profile, you'll have to switch the pre-installed ear tips for the ones provided in the box. I did that and I got a slightly different sound profile. Yes, you heard me right. Treble became slightly recessed, not as harsh as it was with the pre-installed ear tips, and then the bass became more punchy. That's what I noticed. The bass was slightly more emphasized when I switched the ear tips. So that's one thing to bear in mind. I will not call the sound quality excellent, no. They are very good, very good. They are not for everyone. Like I said earlier on, some of you are going to find out that the treble is slightly pushed forward. Some of you might like it, some of you might not. So apart from that, these are pretty decent. Like I said, they fit very well. I just wish these were fully IPX7 waterproof. So like I said earlier on, these have Qualcomm aptX. So when you're watching videos and playing games, you're going to get very low latency with these earbuds. I think these are a pretty good buy. Are they overhyped? I think a little bit, yeah. I'll say a little bit, just a little bit. But they pretty have decent specs. So if you're looking for a pair of good sounding earbuds that supports AAC and has Qualcomm aptX and then has great call quality, these are definitely one of the best in the market right now, especially for their price point. I'll be throwing links down in the description section for you all if you want to purchase these. As always, feel free to check out other nifty gadgets on the channel. I am Ezekielo, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.